Hello everyone, welcome to our very first vlog. My name is Beatrice and this is my husband Mihai.
Hello everyone.
And we are currently at the Adelaide airport, about to leave Australia permanently. And from today, this is our home.
Yes.
What do you think? Can we fit in it?
Maybe.
So after 20 years for myself and 11 years for my husband here in Australia, we're about to take the biggest step in our lives. Leave everything behind, what we knew, routine, everyday life, our friends, our jobs, to go and travel the world full time. We've been dreaming about this for so long. We're very nervous, but we decided that now is the time to do it. So our first destination is Bali. It's a 5-hour flight from Adelaide, but it's not our first time going there. We've already been there 3 times.
4.
No, 3 times. Uh,
4.
3 times.
Okay.
This is our 4th. This is our 4th time, but we keep going back because we've just fallen in love with this magical island, and there's something making us wanting to come back over and over again. So that's why we decided that this is the best place to start our adventure. So we're about to head in and check in, drop our bags, and grab a coffee. So we've just dropped off our bags, and while we wait to board our flight, I thought I would talk a little bit about our background. So we are both married. We were both born in Moldova. So if you've never heard about Moldova, it's a small country located in Eastern Europe, just between Romania and Ukraine. We both left the country quite young. I was 10 years old when I migrated to Australia. And how old were you when you left Moldova? He went to Greece, so he didn't come to Australia.
18.
You were 18? Yeah.
18.
And how long did you live in Greece?
8, 9.
8, 9?
2006 until 2013.
Okay, so about 8, 9 years, so a long time. So overall, we've been living in Australia together for 11 years. Now you might be wondering, why are we doing this and why are we leaving Australia? Well, apart from the fact that we've always wanted to travel the world, explore other cultures, meet people from other nations, we just became sick of routine. It's as simple as that. Day in, day out, the same cycle, work, home, just waiting for weekends, waiting for a holiday once a year. And at one point we started asking ourselves, is this how we want to remember our lives? And quite quickly it became evident that the answer is no. We want to live now, in the present. And so after years of working hard in Australia, we saved up a bit of money and we decided to make the big step and
see the world?
Just to see the world, yes. Now, we don't know for how long we're going to do this. It really depends on how long we're going to last. We have a budget set, so we're thinking we're just going to try and extend it for as long as we can. So we'll see how we go. We are very nervous. It's obvious.
How much shopping are you doing?
I think I've got enough for now. I'm just happy to be traveling the world right now, so shopping is definitely not on my mind at the moment. Now, why are we starting this channel? Well, since we started this adventure, we thought it's the best way to document it, and why not look back on it once we get older and see what we've done, where we've been. But on top of that, I would add that it's such a great way to inspire some of you to do the same. If you've always dreamed to leave everything behind, sell your belongings, get that one-way ticket, and go see the world. So it's one way to really encourage and maybe even give you the courage to take action and do the same. morning from beautiful Bali. It is the next day, so unfortunately we didn't end up filming all the way till the end yesterday. We arrived quite late. Our flight got delayed in Adelaide, so we ended up landing in Bali at around 12 a.m. local time. And by the time we went through all the security and drove to our accommodation in Ubud, it was around 3 a.m., so it was quite late. We were absolutely exhausted. So we just went straight to sleep, but everything went really great. We had such great communication with our host. They greeted us so warmly, even in the middle of the night, so that made all the difference, to be honest. And I'll just show you what the accommodation looks like. So we've got this lovely sitting area here outside where we enjoyed an amazing breakfast this morning. We had banana pancakes and fresh fruit. And then we walk straight into the room. We've got a large bed for two. Got a big cupboard. A little vanity area right here. Little mirror. And the main thing, the air conditioner, which is a big bonus. And then over here we've got the bathroom. Got a little sink, and then the bathroom is separate over here. It's quite nice, quite decently clean. I would say it is a bit humid inside, but you know, for the price we're paying, we really couldn't ask for any more. So as I previously mentioned, we are staying in Ubud, which is the cultural and spiritual capital of Bali. And yeah, this is what you can get for around $14 a night. And believe it or not, that's including breakfast, and we even have drinking water available. So you can't really ask for any better than that. That's pretty amazing. So for today, we're just going to be resting, not really gonna do much because we're still pretty tired from yesterday. But from tomorrow, we're gonna be exploring, and yeah, thank you so much for being here at the very beginning of our journey, and we can't wait to share everything we discover with you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.